What's up, guys? It's your boy Two Wheel Tolls 24 back at it again. Today we rode up to Richmond at Eastern Kentucky University's campus and found a garage, but the top part is blocked off, and I have literally already had 3 police officers come driving through here, I guess to make sure I wasn't doing any stupid shit or looking to see if I was going on the other side of that barricade there to go to the top level. But this I have to do for now. On the way up here, it felt like I was, thank you Cardo for interrupting my my talk there. Anyway, on the way up here, it was like dodging paintballs, man. The cicadas, oh my God, they're awful. I mean, when they hit you, you feel it, especially, you know, going the speed limit. But yeah, just wanted to kind of come up here. I've seen several of my friends come up here and take some pictures and shoot some videos and things. So I was like, I'll go check that out. It's a pretty night. But yeah, this is kind of it. There's not a soul up here. I wish I could go up top there, but honestly, since 3 police officers have come in here and just did a U-turn and waved at me. I mean, they didn't say anything to me. They were cool. But I know as soon as I go through that and undo that, well, actually, you can't even undo the chain because it's locked on both sides. I guess I could raise it up and go underneath of it, but it's too much trouble. So that's to come out here and do a little video. I'm getting ready to, I may ride out to Graffiti Bridge. I don't know. I may just head back to Lexington. But anyway, yeah, it's a different little view. Cool little spot. Minus all the freaking cicadas flying around. I lived on the 19th floor of that big tall building right there, Commonwealth. God, that was, let's see, good Lord, that was, let me do the math, 32 or 33 years ago? Damn, isn't that crazy? God, no, 34 years ago, 34 or 35. Damn, that's crazy. A lot of good times and good memories in that building. There's the football field. Baseball and stuff's over there, track. Pretty cool. But anyway, all right, guys. Makes a big difference, boy. Alright, I'm gonna stop this video right here. Like always. Peace. Hey, hit that subscribe, hit that like button, man. Let me get these subscribers built up. Help me out. Peace.